Nagtatagalog ako. Korean feels. Pinapakit kami. Extra challenge pala to guys. Crush kayo. Grabe na yung paokis ko. Look at me. Look at me, mom. Hi. Ay, pagod naman yung kaibigan ko. Talaga nga naman. Saan galing yung powers? Sa Power Rangers. King Kong ba?
I'm getting older but I still can't read a vibe, 'cause my world is on fire but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time, 'cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad.
Okay, ang sabi, ilagay lang daw sa baba. Nagtatagalog ako. The map, I don't know what this is. Nice.
Am I too blind to the fact that I just make it harder whenever I say that it's not? Maybe I'm being stupid for being a martyr. Maybe it's time that I stop. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad. I make it up to deal, 'cause I just need to see what the hell is supposed to mean. You better make it real. That's just how I feel.
Cây cối là trồng nhiều lên rồi. We only go super good, free, but not slow. So see, we go.
Korean feels. Nice. Pinapakit kami. Extra challenge pala to guys. Ang sana. Hi, I finally made it. Crush kayo. Grabe na yung pawis ko. Grabe na yung pawis ko. Ayoko na. Look at me. Look at me, mom.
Yeah, one of them.
Gising! Hi! Yay!
Take a picture.
Super hot!
Take a picture. We'll go to Halong Bay tomorrow.
I stay overnight in the...
Nice!
Oh, that sounds good. Since we're flying to Ho Chi Minh City.
Pagod naman yung kaibigan ko. Oh, talaga nga naman. 5,000 Vietnamese dong yan. Kahit pare-parehong cave siya, binibidyohan ko kayo. Saan galing yung powers? Sa Power Rangers. Hi!
So, hindi to one way lang.
Basa galore. King Kong ba? Ay, pagod na ako sa pagoda.
Adventure.
You keep banging the...
Then we flip over all of a
Yeah,
sudden.
flip over.
Okay. And then, huwag ka na mag-roll. Kaya mo na si ate. Hi, Maka! Alam mo daw kayo. In the videos, ha?
Hi!
Don't know your name. You'll be a stranger to them.
Yung taga-row, bagal ah.
Always.
Pagod yan. Pagod yan. Ate, oh. Talaga nga naman tulog siya. Te, gising.
Hando ka makaupo sa
Uy.
ano? Low. Shorter and lower. Flash na ano. Lalim ba na yun? Parang hindi na ito baba. Hindi lang muna yung light.
The CEO of acting cool. Here's the song I wrote for you. You weren't that deep, a little dumb. How could I fall for someone like you? And I swore that I moved on.
Yay!
Like a drug that's in my veins. When I see you on my screen, I hate that you still haunt me now. That Wednesday, you asked me to stay away.